Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at the side panel in Google Chrome. And you can see it's located to the right of your extensions icon. Now, what's great about this is you can see right now, I'm not showing my bookmarks. If I want to, I can just do Control-Shift-B. Here are all my bookmarks. What's nice is you could go ahead right over here, select this, and then you could see all your bookmarks right here. So you can scroll through and see all of them, which is really nice to see instead of having to click here and select it that way. Another nice thing is this reading list. So you can see I've already read one. So how do you add one? What you need to do is let's go on to this link here about Nick Castellanos, about wanting to win with the Phillies in the postseason. So if you'd like to, if you don't have time to read this particular article or any particular article, you could just select Show Side Panel and Add Current Tab. You can see that it's unread, and you can see the pages that you have read. If you read one, you want to get rid of it, you can simply go ahead and delete it. If you'd like to, if you marked it as read before now, but you want to bring it back and you really haven't read it yet, you can certainly do that as well. And then you can see pages you've read and unread. So a nice little feature, but a helpful feature in Chrome. Any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.